Hey there, it's Brooks here from DocumentSnap.com, and today we're going to talk about how to access the files in your online backup, in my case CrashPlan, on a mobile device. Now, a lot of these online backup services provide apps that you can use to get at your files when you're on the go. This can come in really handy when you need to get at a file and you remember that it's been backed up. I've done this a number of times. I'm going to be showing CrashPlan on my iOS device, on my iPhone 5, but most online backup services give you a free app to access your information, and at least in CrashPlan's case, there's an Android app as well, so it's the same sort of deal. So I'm just going to start up my CrashPlan app here. I have it under Utilities. And you can see right away it's taken me to my devices. It depends how you have it set up. I had it so that I enter in my credentials and I save them so that I don't need to enter them every time. If you want to be extra secure, you can have it not save your login credentials and you just have to type it in whenever you start up the app. It's up to you. At the home screen, it'll show you your different computers that you have backed up to CrashPlan. I only have the one. And it will show you a section with your downloaded files, and we'll talk about that in a second. So to get to the file that you want to, or files that you want to access on your mobile device, you just tap on the computer that you want to go to. And then you can see here I've got my hard drive, which is the first entry, and then I have a external hard drive backed up to CrashPlan also, so it will show it there. So all we're doing now is we're navigating to the file that we want to restore. So I'm just going to go to my hard drive, my user folder, and the thing I want is on my desktop. And I'm just going to navigate. You get the idea. And let's say I want this National Grid bill here. So what I do is I tap on it, and then it will, you saw that it quickly downloaded it to my device. Obviously, the bigger the file, the longer that's going to take. Once you see that check mark, it means that it's now downloaded to my phone. So if I want to view it, all I need to do is tap on it again, and it's opened it up, and I can view it right from within the CrashPlan application. If I want to, I can hit the share button up in the top right-hand corner, and I'm able to email it to somebody or email it to myself, or I can hit the open in button, and like most iOS apps, and Android does the same sort of thing, I can then send it to any other application that supports the type of file that I'm opening up. In this case, it's a PDF, so I could do all this stuff with it. I'm just going to hit cancel. Now when I'm done with the file, or I want to get access to it later, what I can do is hit the back button to get back to my list, and then hit this home button up in the top right. And now you can see here I've got this section down at the bottom with downloaded files. So when I tap on that, it will show me a list of all of the files that I've downloaded from CrashPlan to my device. And if I want to delete them to save space or just get rid of them for whatever reason, all I need to do is I can either hit the pencil, delete a bunch of them at once, or if I just want to delete one of them, I can just, like everywhere else in iOS, you just swipe and hit delete. And that's how you access files on CrashPlan on your mobile device. For more going paperless tips, head on over to DocumentSnap.com. Thanks.